please subscribe and click on the little notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. It's 2 days after the Sahara Sandstorm came through Europe, and everything was like, the sky was like a yellow color. It was just really amazing. And I thought it would be really fun now to come out here and collect some of the sand and put it in a little jar so I can put it in my dollhouse. So I'll just show you what some of this looks like. So it's just a very, very fine sand. I thought it would be more yellow, but it's kind of like a brown color. And I'll put some in the clips here as well. Here you can see there's some more on there, on here, on here. So I'm just gonna see, I have a spatula, and then I have a little paper towel now that it's dry. Yesterday it was still wet, so I thought maybe I could collect it. And then I can put it in a little jar, and I'll write on it that it's the sandstorm from Sahara. Yeah, I'm getting quite a bit up, so that looks good. So I've got this little tiny saffron box that I've already started putting some in, as you can see. And I've just put it down here on this paper. And we'll just try and get it to go in. So there, that's how much I got. It's just a tiny, tiny bit. And I don't collect sand normally, but I just thought that would be kind of fun. So I've got this little saffron container now, and I can put it in my dollhouse. So put 2021, 6 Feb. Don't know if that can be read or not. So I will put it up here. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click on the little notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos.